This model kit review is of the LaFerrari Aperta, and it is a 1/24 scale simple model by Maisto. It's the assembly line, and you can see the body here. These are metal bodies, and they are pre-painted and officially licensed product with the Ferrari emblem there. Another picture. There's a picture of the finished model insides, the parts there. Let's open it up and have a look inside. Let's see all the parts that we have. Okay, so first let's look at our body here. It comes with, as we said, pre-painted and the lights installed. There's the Ferrari emblem, and the back does come up there, so you should be able to see on the inside. And you can see their radiator, very nicely detailed on the outside. Here we have our wheels, and these are the back wheels, the front wheels, and you've got some silver and some chrome options depending on what version you want to build. Over here we have our, looks like our chassis and floor pan. Well, that's not wanting to cut. So here is our cockpit with a floor pan. Here's our chassis, and this has got some glass on it already. Not much glass, can't really see too much out of that. And now we have our parts. Lots of tape. Okay, so now we've got that open. Let's have a look. We've got some carbon fiber parts here. That rigid looking. This is probably for the back. Here is our dashboard. And we've got wheels. These are tires, at least. These are our rear, these are our front. And we've got our engine bay, including our wiring harness or wires. Here are our axles with disc brakes, and we've got our brake pads. We've got the inside of our door. Here's another inside of the door. This belongs in our engine bay here with some air intake there. Nicely detailed. Here we've got our seats. There's our glass, both the rear and the front windshield. Windshield's got our rear view mirror in there already. We've got some screws and some exhaust parts. Here is our steering wheel and the column. Looks like maybe the wheels will turn. And then we've got our side mirrors and our brake lights. We've got some parts here for our mirrors, the actual mirror, and then some stickers. Let's have a look at our instructions here. So we start off with putting the glass and side mirrors onto our body. We put our engine bay together, as well as the rear bumper and tail lights. We build our cockpit and put our steering column and dashboard together there, as well as the axles. That all gets mounted onto our chassis, and then our body is mounted, tires and wheels. Those are the screws. That's where the screws come in. So nice simple little model and quick build.